Hi guys, welcome back to another fashion video from It's Your Girl, TheCandiceOFashion, and happy 4th of July. May the 4th be with you. I know that's a Star Wars reference from May 4th, but it's also still July 4th, so I'm going to use it. So let's get into this video. This video will be a little different. It's not a haul. I'm going to decide which outfit I want to wear, and then the rest of the video is me actually getting ready, doing my hair, putting on my outfit, applying my products so I can, look cute and everything. So let's get into this video. Alright, so step one, as my base layer, I have my infamous TikTok bodysuit that I do in all my fashion videos. I love it. I love it. I love it. I love it. TikTok is the GOAT for shapewear. If you are into shapewear, stay tuned for next week for my shapewear video. But this is actually from TikTok shop. It's not really a shapewear, but it's amazing. I need to actually get some more, but the funds are low, so I'm on shopping probation. That sucks. But yes, so let's get into it. I have these red shorts, which I haven't worn. See, this is another reason why I'm on shopping probation. I have a lot of stuff in my closet that's I've been on board and haven't worn. And that's because of a couple of reasons. One, I don't really have a space for all my stuff, which is gonna change soon. And two, I just don't wear them. Okay, so I have these shorts, cute shorts, very nice. Oops, I forgot a mirror so I can see myself. Perfect. All right. Okay, so the shorts look nice, cute, very cute. And then I don't know what I'll wear for the top. I probably just might thug it out like this, because I don't really have a nice white top that I want to wear with this. I have a white top, but it's plain compared to this. Alright, so let's do that. Look, another item. Oh, I was planning to wear this to Universal, and I'm kind of glad I didn't, because A, it was too hot, and so I'm glad I wore long pants, and B, it's a little short for a school field trip. I ain't want to be that mama. Okay, so I have this skirt. Oh, she cute. Building shorts. It's one of those it's a Lulu dupe. It's a tennis skirt. Oh, she's cute with the black and white. Black and white. Black and white. I could do something like my black Reeboks and call it a day. However, what else was I say? I don't really want to wear my black Reeboks, but I will wear my white ones though. Or I wear my blue shoes. I'm not sure what shoes I want to wear. Okay, so this is an outfit. Not really feeling, not giving me an extra for today. I guess because I'm not dressed up too, but it's kind of plain for me. Whatever. Then I have the comfy outfit, which is from Fashion Nova. I bought a Fashion Nova haul when I got my license, but I haven't done that video yet, but I'm gonna do it. And this is a part of the Fashion Nova haul, so sneak peek for the following week. As I said, next week I'm gonna do the shapewear, in sponsor of my new shapewear I got from TikTok shop. Oh, this is super comfy. Oh, this is like lounge to the professional. Look, more tags. Oh, I can't go shopping as she pops tags. As I pop tags, complaining about how I can't go shopping. Very cute, very cute, very cute. I mean, it's blue, so it looks cute, but it's nothing special to it. So, yeah. Oh, you got a whole 360 look. All right, and last but not least is my other outfit from Fashion Nova as well. I love this outfit. The top is a little crop top. Nice material, very nice. I need to get a steamer for the iron. Probably get the iron, good old fashioned iron. My house is a mess right now, but hopefully I can find it, because the girls are going to Georgia, and I'm gonna be solo to the dolo. And it's lovely. They think they excited. That's how I feel. I can't wait, Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Okay, so the top is cute, and you got a cute little belt number. You know. I saw this girl do this belt tie thing, and I'm like, I think I should do that with this outfit. And then the skirt is cute as well. What size I got in it? I think I got it in a 2X. I'm not sure. Oh. The pants I just tried on trying to take me out the game. My toes look amazing. And that pedicure fresh and it's popping. Don't hate the player. Hate the game. Okay, yeah, the skirt. Oh, that's giving. What y'all think? I think this might be the winner. It's a little too dressy for 4th of July. I think it should definitely, like, yeah, loosen up like this. But she cute or whatever. Is my butt button? I think my butt button. Alright, I think this might be it. I just gotta figure out how to tie this part. And I gotta do something with my hair and face to make me feel like prettier, because I'm not hitting it right now. Alright, so let's get to part 2 of me getting ready.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I am Fasanis Rock. Today we'll be doing an OTD of what I'm wearing today. You can't really see my shoes, but these are my shoes from Walmart. This is my dress from Ross. And this shirt is from Ross. And this bow is from the hair store. Thank you for watching. Bye!
Hi guys, welcome back. We are live at the Homestead Motor Speedway, and yeah, we're gonna walk around, find some shade, go to the restroom first, walk around, and then we're gonna find our seats. Go.
Hi guys, so I just got a lot of free stuff. Yeah, I got a lot of free stuff. So first, I got this little fan thing, but it broke. And I got a bunch more fan pots, by the way. And then we got a cup holder.
Uh-huh.
A little Planet Business little fanny pack thing.
Uh-huh.
Pretty cool. And a rack scratcher. And we got this little water pen.
Stylus pen.
Yes, a stylus. I needed a stylus for my tablet. And then we got this like hand sanitizer from Planet Fitness. And then we got this fresh squishy. And another stylus. And then my mom got this for my sister. And then we got lip balm. And then we got 2 hand sanitizer bottles. I'm gonna get one of these to my mom. So.
When the free swag hits you right.